Hello all, welcome to digital image processing using MATLAB. In this video, we will again continue with the definitions and we will slightly dive deeper into what is a pixel. So previous video we saw what is a digital image. A digital image is a matrix of numbers where the numbers and the number of rows and columns in the matrix are all finite and discrete, and when we process it using a digital computer, that is what we mean by digital image processing. And nowadays most of the equipments that we see, the display monitors or even the systems are all digital in nature, therefore it is called as digital image processing, and analog image processing is almost obsolete now. So we also saw what is a pixel. Pixel is the basic building block of an image. So just like how the building block of an house is a brick, the basic building block of an image is called as a pixel. And what are the other names for pixel? It is picture element, pel, or image element. So if you have taken an image of a Mickey Mouse here, we have taken, and if you try to zoom it on your phone or any device, if you see, you will see small squares. So those squares is what you can understand as the pixel. So in the first level of understanding or superficial level, so pixel looks like a tiny little square, but pixel is not a little square. So we know what a pixel is. So pixel refers to the value at a particular location of x comma y in an image which has some physical meaning associated with it. Now how are the images represented? See, we have taken one image here. So this is number 9. The number 9 is in white and the background is black. So here the image is represented as a matrix of numbers. So because it's a digital image, all the numbers are finite and discrete. So here if you see, the numbers also have a physical meaning, that is very important. So this is a matrix or grid of numbers, but we have three matrices here. And the first, second and the third matrices are referred to as red, green and blue. So here they are referring to the colors, are also known as channels. So we will go to what is a channel in the later videos. First we will try to understand how to represent the image as a matrix of numbers and what is the significance. If you take the previous one, here this is written as an 8 cross 8 image, that is the number of rows into number of columns. Here I have taken the indexing from 0, totally there are 8 rows, the index 0, index 1, index 2 and so on up to index 7. You can also start from 1. In MATLAB the indexing always starts from 1. In Python and all or C the indexing starts from 0. So here x represents the number of rows from 0 to 7, totally there are 8 rows, and y represents the number of columns which is 0 to 7 or 1 to 8 depending upon the index you have chosen. So this is an 8 cross 8 image. This is a matrix of numbers, correct, x and y at each intersection of x and y. Suppose this is the fifth row and the sixth column. So the indexing is 4 comma y. At that intersection there is a value which is 255. So 255 has some physical meaning here because this is an image taken from a camera. It will usually represent the color. So 255 here is representing white, and here we have 0 0 which means first row first column. At that particular intersection there is a value 0 which is indicating the color black. This is one more slide showing the same thing, digital image representation. This is the origin. So the x is the number of rows and y is the number of columns. At the intersection of x comma y we have the value f, which we call it as the intensity value. It could denote color depending upon the source of the image, or it could denote temperature and pressure. So in a digital image is a matrix of discrete finite numbers. If you zoom in and take only some part of the image, if not the entire image, which is called as the sub image, then also it is a matrix of numbers, but the numbers have a physical meaning. This is very important to understand, that the numbers represent some physical meaning. Alright, we have now done with the basic definitions of an image. We will try to answer few questions so that we can understand whether you understood it further. In the next series, we will try to read an image in the MATLAB and see how it is represented. What is the process of extracting information from the image? We have 4 options. Try to identify the correct option. And what is computer graphics? Is it inverse of computer vision? Computer vision is here in short form written as CV. And what is a single point in the overall image, which put in a grid format try to complete a picture called as. You can give your answers in the community where all these questions will be prepared, so that try to interact with the other peers also. Thank you.